Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install italki on your device, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of italki on your device, start by identifying whether you are using a mobile device or a computer. If you are using a mobile device, open your device's App Store. For Android devices, this will be the Google Play Store. For iOS devices, navigate to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type italki and press enter. Look for the official italki app in the search results. Check the publisher name to ensure it is the official italki app. Once you locate the app, tap on the install button. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. Now, if you are using a computer, open your preferred web browser. Visit the official italki website by typing italki.com in the address bar. Once the website loads, look for the option to download the app. If there is no dedicated app, you can use italki directly through the web browser. For any additional desktop features, you might consider bookmarking the website. After the installation or access is complete, launch the italki app or the website. You will be prompted to sign in or create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-up process if needed. Once signed in, explore the features available on the platform. This includes finding language teachers or engaging in language exchange. Now you are ready to start your language learning journey with italki. Enjoy your experience and make the most of the resources available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.